Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang that generation from year 2015 to year 2023. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the ignition switch relay is located, which relay you need to check. If your car doesn't start, you need to check that relay. Where to buy cheap relays and fuses, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test relays and fuses. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stand till the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So here we're going to demonstrate on a 2018 Ford Mustang GT, but even if you have a different engine, guys, it will work as well. Now right here is the fuse box on the passenger side, on the left side. That's the main engine management fuse box. Press here to open, lift it up, okay, and open just like that. Now right here, guys, on the back side you have the fuses and the relay numbers. That's the good news, and they correspond to what we have here. Bad news, you don't know what they're for, so that's why we made the video, trying to save you time and money. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So now the ignition switch relay that we need to check will be in that relay box right here that consists of 6 relays. You may have less or more, less than 6 or about 6 depending on the options. If you need to buy replacement relays, fuses, guys, again we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. The relay that we'll need to check right here, it's relay 78. Talking about that relay right here for the ignition switch. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.